Hi, Professor. I thought I'd try doing a video for my weekly check-in this week. I need to get some practice, although I do a lot of Zoom meetings, still not comfortable doing video recordings. So I thought this was a good opportunity for me to get some practice. This week I've started preparing my PowerPoint. I have figured out how to put some video clips in. Definitely don't want to put more than one or two. One of which is a TED Talk that I keep referencing, the Simon Sinek, about how leaders inspire action, about finding your why. I think that that's pertinent to my need to motivate the organization to implement lean, rediscovering our why. We have a million good reasons why we're doing it. There's a million reasons why American manufacturers and offices do it. And if we can recenter and find our why, then we can continue to take the steps to finish this implementation that we started 20, 30 years ago, even before I was with the company. So my company is very change resistant. It's privately owned, so it's family run, and the leadership team or executive management of the company kind of come in with preconceived notions of what they will and won't do. So it's going to be difficult for me to change their minds and kind of get my point across. But I do feel that the experience, whether it's positive or negative, will teach me a lot, because I'm going to need to be able to persuade. And as an organizational leader, I'm going to have to be able to motivate people. And I'm honestly, through this whole process, kind of learning more and more about what type of leader I want to be, what type of leader is needed in an environment where you're trying to make a change. I see it every day when I go to work that there's resistance to lean. A lot of times the staff or the workforce don't understand why they're doing it. And ultimately it's key to American manufacturing, so we have to find a way to make it work. So I think I'll be okay in the end, but it's definitely daunting as I pay more and more attention to the reactions to things and how we're trying to create a team to implement this, and the lack of motivation there is behind it. So as I collect my information and I organize it into stages, I'm definitely developing the platform. So I'm really kind of excited about what I have so far. And like I said, I guess my biggest obstacle is convincing everybody that this is the right thing to do and this is how we should go about it. I've been an advocate for collaborative leadership at my company for a very long time, and this is definitely helping me push myself into that direction. I will touch base with Dr. Hernandez later in the week as I have more of my PowerPoint built, to get his feedback, because he has done lean before and he has done human resources. So it'll give me a good perspective of where I am, and making sure that I haven't dumbed it down too much, or I'm not, and ensuring I'm not over explaining concepts that are already known. So that's what I have for today. Thank you very much. Have a good day.